boys and girls, what did you think about the patterns yesterday during calendar time? Isn't that cool? So today we are going to use those patterns to see if we can make predictions about what comes next on the card that we haven't turned over yet. So remember, we go down the column. This is a column. The ones that go across are rows. So we're going down the Thursday column to the next card that hasn't been turned over. And it is, we know it's Thursday. Tuesday also starts with T, but Thursday starts with TH, and TH makes the Thursday. TH makes the sound. All right, let's sing our months of the year song. Are you ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Now I'll scoot this over a little bit so you can see. We'll sing the days of the week. Oops, forget. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. So when you come to kindergarten, you are going to be able to lead the calendar routine. If you're the student of the day, you get to hold the stick, you get to point to the days of the week, you get to point to the numbers as we count them. So make sure you're paying careful attention to how the routine goes so that you'll know it when you come to school and you can be the student of the day that leads it. If at first you don't know how, I will for sure help you. But let's count and see what number we're on, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Whisper to your hand. What's the number, everyone? Did you say 24? Fantastic counting. So let's take a look, friends, at our diagonal patterns. So we talked yesterday about how we saw circle, circle, circle. We could predict that one because I'm pretty sure if that diagonal pattern, I wish I could turn it over now, but it will turn that over tomorrow. And then if we go back this way, look, there's square, rectangle. I don't think it's going to be a square because look, let's do the pattern. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Those were real life objects. Back to the colored shapes. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Now the real life objects. Circle, rectangle, triangle. So we haven't quite, you notice that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it changes. These are real life objects. 1, 2, 3. We still have one more to go to complete our pattern. So, circle, rectangle, triangle. Did you say square? You guys are the best at doing calendar. So it's a real life object. Look around. Do you see anything in the real world that looks like a square? Trying to think if there's, so we've had some different things where there was a window and some food. Maybe it's some food. Do you think of any food that's square? Or money? I don't really think there's money that's square. Let's just turn it over. There is some food. Look, friends. It's a soda cracker, a saltine cracker. Have you ever had those in your soup? Or just eaten them with cheese? It's the number 20 for the two groups of 10 and 4 more. All right. So that helps us to know that today is Thursday, September 24th, 2020. Wilson forgot to silence her phone. All right, let's hope it doesn't ring. So I'm going to add one last star to our first 10 frame. My friends, we have filled up our first 10 frame. We've been in school for 10 days. Uh-oh. One of the little pieces of the star fell off. I might have to fix it and put a new one on. But we need to also add a clip. So remember I told you yesterday that we were going to start to have a collection of clip collections that are 10. Five of the blue and 5 of the red. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these off and hook them together. We'll do the blue first. I'm going to put these up, and then we'll start counting by tens so that we can see how many days we've been in school. So there's the start of our collection of tens, and then tomorrow when we do calendar, I'll start this one again to build up to 10. All right, now it's time to spin. Remember, these are the numbers. Get a number in your head and see if you get it right when I spin it. Ready? Did you think it was going to be a 4? If you guess 4, you're right. Okay. I'm going to count off 4 of the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be really tall. Look how many we had yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Set that down for a second. 8 and 4. Which one has more? And how do you know? This one is more, isn't it? Because if we put them together, we know that there's 4. The 4 ends here, and then we could count on 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to count on and see how many we have. Well, not count on, but we're going to count to see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cubes. All right. So I'm going to write the number 10. I forgot to do that part of our routine. Straight line down. And a circle around. That's the number 10. It's one group of 10. So I think overnight I'm going to put up the hundreds chart, and then I'll show you the hundreds chart tomorrow. And we can talk about how we would count by tens. Today when I went outside, it was raining. It's fall and it's already been 2 rainy days here. So remember, I used my purple crayon. Oh no, I used green. I have to grab my green crayon. So the one that we have the most of so far is this one, and I can tell because this is the one that has the tallest column of colored rectangles. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 colored there. 3 sunny days, 2 rainy days, and 1 partly cloudy day. So it'll be interesting to see which one of the kinds of weather winds has the most at the end of the month. I'm excited to find out. Hope you had fun at calendar today. I'll see you tomorrow.